Now, once you've determined why you're going to build a business, the next thing you got to decide is you got to make a commitment to how much time you're going to be able to dedicate to the business, and you need to work on creating a contact list. So it's time to build. What do we want to do first? We want to decide how many hours we're going to dedicate. And John Paul Getty said, I'd rather have 1% effort from 100 people than 100% effort from one person. And let's assume on the low side you only commit 2 hours a week, but you do that consistently. And then you help those IBOs that you sponsor to do the exact same thing. Well, the next thing you know, you'll build an organization of people dedicating just 2 hours a week to the business. And if you have 100 IBOs doing that, you now have 200 hours a week going into the business. And you couldn't do that if you never slept, never ate. It's just impossible to do. But that's the leverage of the business. Now, you can dedicate time in goal setting, building your contact list, making phone calls to introduce people to the business. Then you would like to spend a little bit of time sending them a video email or giving them a DVD personally, following up with them, see if they have questions. You can spend time studying the comp plan, the company, the industry, and personal development. So those are a few things that you can consistently put a few hours a week into. Now let's talk about how to build your contact list. In the back office, we have a memory jogger list, and that's really what it's designed to do, is jog your memory on different people that you want to share this opportunity with. And as soon as you come up with the names, you want to write them down, because as quickly as you write them down, is just that quickly you can forget those people. And so it's critical that you go ahead and continually work that contact list. And remember, it's a sorting business, and we'll talk more about that in just a minute. Our goal is to reach 3, teach 3 to get 3. And it's just that simple. If you only build a contact list of 3, you got to get all 3. But if you can build a list of 10, if you get 3 out of 10, that's a 30% success rate. If you can build a list of 20, then you get 3 out of 20, it's only 15% success rate. If you can build a list of 30, then you only have to get 3 out of 30 or have 10% success. Now, I played baseball, and if you only hit 1 out of 10, you're not going to get to play a whole lot. But in this business, you can be successful on 1 out of 10 with a 10% success rate. And let me show you how. Well, when you start building your business and you get 3 out of 30 people, 10% success, you want to teach those 3 people to do what you just did. Have a 10% success rate. That means you can fail 27 out of 30 times, but you have those 9 out of 90 that just came into your business because each person got 3 out of 30. And so it shows that if you continually do that, you're going to be successful. So this is just a little bit of information on how to build your contact list, why to build it, and you want to build that list as big as possible.